Good morning. As we fast approach the holiday seasons, well, actually we're in the holiday season, but Christmas, families start showing up, relatives, all the old family stories that they start telling about you that you don't like. Because to them, they're funny, haha, to you, they're embarrassing, they're humiliating. My parents used to love talking about me falling out of the chair in first grade. I'm not sure how that was so funny that somebody kicked the chair out from under me, but there you go. But these stories, these shadows become our identity. It becomes how we think about ourselves. So this is a perfect time to start thinking about shifting your identity, healing those shadows and shifting your identity. And I mean, keep in mind, a lot of these shadows are subconscious. You do not even know they're churning and burning in the background. You know, I had trouble losing weight all of my life because I believed in my heart I had the fat gene, because that's what my mother told me in a fit of anger, and I believed it. She said my Nana was fat, she had the fat gene, and I inherited it. I love my Nana, so I believed it. So that was locked in for years. It was locked into my subconscious. So every time I'd go on a diet, it didn't work. Until I finally thought, okay, I have got to shift the story. Part one, shift your story. Start telling yourself a different story. Start telling yourself about how, you know, my Nana was heavy and I was heavy because I love her, but being heavy isn't healthy. I'm not happy wearing a size 22. I need to lose weight. And then when you shift it, you also have to shift your beliefs. How you think about weight, how you think about losing weight, you know, how you think about those words losing. How do you think about yourself as thin? Think back to when you were thin and how did you view yourself when you're on that, you know, weight loss roller coaster. And then you've got to build new habits. You know, if you come home from work every day and you put your stuff down and you go to the fridge to get something to eat or to get a glass of wine, you got to break that habit. If at 8 o'clock at night you get the munchies and you start looking around and you don't have anything healthy to eat, so you start eating candy bars, popcorn, potato chips, more wine, that adds calories. So you come up with new habits. At 8 o'clock when you want to get something to eat, either you can put carrots or something healthy in your refrigerator, or you can break that habit by saying, not today. Today I am going to win the battle. I am going to eliminate this weight. And you learn how to do mind shifts. And we're going to talk about how to heal these shadows as well. And then take action. Never leave the scene of a decision without taking action. Tony Robbins says that all the time. If you make a decision, take action. So when you go to shift your identity, decide what your new identity wants to be as well, because that's kind of important. You can't decide, well, I'm not going to be a victim anymore if you don't know what powerful Karen looks like. I'm not going to be heavy anymore if I don't know how thin Karen acts. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And here's to you finding your blue rose.